Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to insert the SIM in this device. So at the bottom of the device you will get the SIM tray. So here you can see. So here is the SIM tray. First of all, we need to eject the SIM tray using this SIM ejecting tool. Put the SIM ejecting tool here, okay, and just press it. You can see the SIM tray is ejected. Now pull the tray. Simply, okay, and this is dual SIM. This is for the SIM 1 and this is for the SIM 2. Okay, now I am going to put the SIM on the SIM 1 tray like this. Now put the tray back like this. You can see, right? Now press it. Yeah. Now just wait for a few seconds. The device will detect the SIM. Yeah, you can see the range, right? So simply in this way we can insert the SIM in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.